Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will explore Microsoft in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, and we are now here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of September 2024, our system has identified Microsoft as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.95. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 0.69%. This results in an average return of 0.34% per day since its designation as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests at the upper part of a broad and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A break above the upper trend line at $436.35 would indicate a slower rate of decline and might be the initial sign of a shift in the trend. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, there is a suggestion of a potential decrease of approximately 7.8% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -20.19% to -6.90%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 25.46% over the upcoming year, with a potential return between 18.12% and 42.31%. This translates to a price range of $510.43 to $614.93 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline: Microsoft stock price ended at $432.11 on Wednesday after gaining 0.685%. The Microsoft stock price gained 0.685% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, rising from $429.17 to $432.11. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.05%, with a day low at $428.60 and a day high of $433.12. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.14% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 3 million shares, with a total of 13 million shares bought and sold for approximately $5.67 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $468.35, and the lowest price was $309.45. Currently, the price is 7.74%, or $36.24, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft finds itself under scrutiny due to serious antitrust accusations from Alphabet's Google, which has submitted a complaint to the European Commission. The allegations assert that Microsoft is engaging in anti-competitive licensing practices to enhance its Azure cloud platform. This examination arrives at a crucial moment for Microsoft, as competition in the cloud industry becomes increasingly fierce. In the near term, these claims could lead to considerable fluctuations in Microsoft's stock price. Investors typically react strongly to regulatory investigations, fearing possible penalties or mandated adjustments to business operations. Such news can generate heightened uncertainty among shareholders, possibly prompting sell-offs as they evaluate the implications for Microsoft's market standing and revenue streams. Looking further into the future, the long-term effects will hinge on how Microsoft addresses these challenges. If Microsoft can effectively defend its practices and show adherence to fair market principles, it may bolster investor confidence. Additionally, the company's dedication to enhancing its artificial intelligence capabilities and making substantial investments in power sources for its data centers could position it advantageously in a competitive arena, particularly as dependence on artificial intelligence continues to rise. Successfully navigating regulatory hurdles, combined with strategic investments in technology and energy, could ultimately foster a more promising long-term outlook for Microsoft, potentially supporting its stock performance down the line. However, the immediate emphasis will be on how the company reacts to this antitrust scrutiny and its repercussions for its cloud operations. Analyst ratings. On Monday, September 23, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Microsoft a neutral rating, accompanied by a downgrade action. On the same day, it was noted that Raymond James also assigned Microsoft a market perform rating with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, September 17, 2024, Deutsche Bank reported a buy rating for Microsoft, along with a hold action. On Wednesday, September 4, 2024, Wells Fargo assigned Microsoft an overweight rating with a hold action. Earlier on Wednesday, August 28, 2024, KeyBank also gave Microsoft an overweight rating, coupled with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. The Microsoft stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at about $433.53. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average around $418.58. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will produce a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign, indicating that the stock warrants close monitoring. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, September 19, 2024, and thus far, the stock has dropped by 1.5%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal, observed 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, identified 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, recorded 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal, detected 10 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal, recognized 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, seen 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal, noted 34 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft experiences support from accumulated volume at $418.35. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically exhibits moderate daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $4.52 between its high and low, which represents 1.05%. For the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 1.27%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This ratio typically falls within a normal range, often observed in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 22nd of October 2024. The consensus estimates from analysts stand at $3.09. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $435.27. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportune level for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $418.35. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of September, 2024, Numoto Teishi made an insider purchase of 8,511 shares of common stock. On the same day, young Christopher David conducted an insider purchase of 8,990 shares of common stock. Also on that date, Smith Bradford L. executed an insider purchase of 23,374 shares of common stock. On the same day, Hood Amy made an insider purchase of 23,374 shares of common stock. Finally, on September 16, 2024, Hogan Kathleen T. performed an insider purchase of 7,912 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 6.845. In total, insiders purchased 543,109 shares and sold 488,476 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Currently, Microsoft exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 26th of September, we anticipate Microsoft will open down by 83 cents, beginning trading at $431.28. It is important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor prior to engaging in the purchase or sale of any securities. Decisions regarding your investments should not solely rely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.